Now I'm back to my CEO dashboard. What I want to show is how easy it is for a business person to change a report, a dashboard from scratch on the fly. It's very important. People have different questions. Anytime, anywhere. Maybe they're in a meeting with a client. Maybe they're on the golf court and they want to see something different. How can they do it? I want to show how easy that is. So if I'm a user that has the power to change things and do ad hoc analysis, I'll have the edit button in my DataSelf dashboards. I click the edit button and I go into the edit mode. The things I'm going to be showing you right here can be also done on mobile devices. And let's say here, I want to build a new section on this dashboard to put right here to show, let's say, sales and gross profit trends. I want to put a chart right here. How can I do it? Well, I'm going to click a new sheet. It's going to be my sheet number 38. And I want to see sales trends. I'm going to pick my sales trends data source. And now I see dimensions and measures that are pulling data from, let's say, Acumatica. Maybe this could be multi-company. But anyhow, I want to see sales. I'm going to double-click sales. I want to see by invoice date. I double-click invoice date. So I see a trend analysis. But I want to see this on a monthly basis. I'm going to choose by month instead. There it is in my whole company history. I see sales growing by month. I also want to see gross profit percentage. Well, it's right here. It's just a measure available out of the box. I just have to drag and drop into my report. So what I have now is gross profit percentage and sales. Let me put them on a dual axis. So just click dual axis approach. And there it is. It just took me a few clicks to put together a very nice dashboard or a chart that shows me sales as my orange bars and the blue line with my percentage gross profit. Let me just clean up a little bit to make this a little cleaner. Now I want to add the sheet 38 into that particular dashboard. So I'm going to go back to my inventory dashboard section, and I want to put right here the sheet 38. So just drag and drop, and let me just clean it up. That's it. I just added a new section that shows in this dashboard a completely new chart. And as you could tell, I don't have to be an expert. Pretty much just drag and drop. I have many of my clients that just by looking at demo, they were able to learn how to drag and drop and create things like this. There's also dozens of hours of online videos for people to learn how to do these advanced techniques and become very savvy in customizing their own reports. And once you do this, I can click save, and that's it. Now the dashboard that I just was looking at became customized, and anyone that has access to it will have the new report available. Let's check it out. So let's refresh it. So that's the dashboard just refreshed. Let's see the inventory tab where we just added, and voila. It's that easy. Pretty much in a couple of minutes, I was able to modify this dashboard and have it interactive. It's pretty impressive, isn't it?